can't sit up! Currently heading uptown right now to go meet up with my friends, and we're gonna go to Central Park to go sledding because there's snow outside on the ground. There's been a blizzard in New York City. Yo!
What's up, bro?
What's up, dude?
Waiting for pizza.
Pizza!
How you doing, brother?
Coming in clutch. Hey.
What we got?
What's up, man? Dang, is that all for you, David?
Hey, guys, get fat.
We do Domino's classes.
Hold on. I showed up, not knowing what we were doing, because she never informed me. She's like, hey, come over, it'll be fun. Woo. I was like, cool, okay, fine. So, we're sitting here, and she's going over the sleds. I'm like, guys, let's go sledding. I said that like 5 times and no one heard me. I'm like, come on, guys, let's go sledding. And then 10 minutes later, Brian's like, yeah, are you coming sledding with us? I'm like, are we going sledding? I guess that's what I'm here for.
This is the thing.
I'm super excited, and I wore leggings. Ooh. I'm wearing leggings.
Congrats.
Yeah!
Oh yeah. She doesn't want to be in the vlog at all, so I'm just gonna not mention her or show her anymore.
Okay, so you can't use my sleds when you go sledding.
Oh.
Wow.
Dang, what?
Why can't we be friends?
Why can't we be friends? Why can't we? MJ, I thought you didn't want to be on camera.
I don't.
Oh, the lighting's good here. Ah! Yo, look how good the lighting is. Oh my gosh, what is going on back here?
Hello.
Who's yelling in my background?
Hello, bro.
Ah! Our sled situation is a metal sign from a spa
Yo, it's
and a
legit.
cracked blue sled.
I should put my gloves on.
This is gonna be fun.
Hey, don't go hating on my sleds, bro.
I'm not. I'm excited to go on it. Metal sign vibes.
So,
Oh god!
still on them.
I can't sit up. Yo, my butt hurts so bad. My butt is like getting rubbed against the floor. I wasn't even on that thing. They're basically just dragging me with the rope. That was fun. That was fun. Yo! Having so much fun out here. Race to the top! Yeah. Woohoo!
This one hurts.
Oh my god!
Wait, I'm gonna do it.
Thanks!
Yay! That poor sled, what is it to you? I hope you're not littering.
This is difficult.
That was a good run.
Okay, oh crap.
What are you doing that with?
I hit you
What are you
once.
doing with that, MJ?
Hey, you! Yeah. You hit me twice, now we're even.
I don't think we should walk in front of each other at all. We should go like separate ways.
Don't you dare! No.
Probably weighs just as much as you. Kick it.
Yo, it's Brian, what is up? So I realized I didn't film anything else this week. There's a legitimate reason why. It's not even serious. I want to strictly film and show you guys things that I'm doing, like this snow day that we had in New York City, rather than me showing you me sitting down at a table and talking to people and just doing that. I personally find that boring to watch. Do you want to see those days where I'm just sitting down and talking to my friends at a table enjoying food? I'm having fun making videos regardless, but I would like to entertain you guys to an extent. So just let me know what you think. I hope you guys have a great week ahead of you. Thank you for watching my video. Stay ambitious, be positive, and make friends. I don't even know what I'm saying. Peace out!